On behalf of Brands Academy team, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all the winners of the Leadership and Service Excellence Awards. Yes, I will request all of you to kindly settle down who are there. And yes, it is a great pleasure for me to welcome you all to this magnificent event hosted by Brands Academy. It is very rightly said that distances can be calculated by miles per hour, and lifetime can be calculated by smiles per hour. And yes, I see some beautiful smiles around. Can I see more of them? And I'm sure I'm going to see more and more smiles when all these stars come over the stage and receive the awards. So I extend a warm, warm welcome to each one of you out here. As you must be aware, Leadership and Service Excellence Awards are meant to recognize the contribution being made by business leaders, visionary entrepreneurs, dedicated professionals in the business and service organizations that are continually striving for excellence in their respective fields. Brands Academy is the pioneer in the promotion of this unique concept and has successfully implemented such events being conducted every year in Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. The Leadership and Service Excellence Awards are a result of a comprehensive market research study, the primary objectives of which are to identify and recognize the organizations and professionals who are dedicated to achieve excellence in their respective fields. The market research team of Brands Academy toils for over a period of 5 long months every year, collecting the data from different regions in India, which is then analyzed by our in-house experts to identify those who deserve the recognition for their dedication to customer satisfaction. Over 1,250 organizations, and well, it's a huge number, 1,250 organizations and professionals were invited to participate in this study this year, out of which only about 40 of them, that you are the stars out here today, have been selected for the awards in different categories and zones depending upon the location and focus of their service. The awards were decided on the basis of comprehensive analysis of data and the products, service, features, facilities offered, fees, prices charged for services, products, growth in terms of business, or number of customers amongst several other criteria. To honor the true achievers, Brands Academy has added a new aspect to this whole effort of these awards by introducing an annual book, Brands in the Making, and the latest edition of which is also being launched today. You can see your faces out there. Needless to say, it has been one long exercise, and all the efforts will be made worthwhile as the event progresses. And we meet the real stars of this magnificent event and the big brands for tomorrow. So let me share an audiovisual presentation on the previous awards. You can have a snapshot and have a look at the audiovisual of Brands Academy. Over to you on the left and right screens, please. Can we have the video, please?